Hello everyone, if you're trying to install the new Windows update KB5070773 and you keep getting an installation error, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying Windows update error easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the start menu, you're going to write here Windows update, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go into advanced options here, you're going to go into recovery here, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click onto this reinstall now button right next to fix problems using Windows Update. And once you click onto that, you're going to tick this checkbox, automatically restart my PC 15 minutes after installation, and press OK. And once you press OK, Windows Update will fix your installation error, and then it will restart your computer 15 minutes after it has fixed the error. And then once you're done with the restart, you're going to come back here, and then you're going to write Windows Update again, and you should get the update like this, and you're just going to click on download and install. And once you click on download and install, Windows Update should start downloading the update on your computer. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to fix that annoying Windows Update error. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.